Hello, this is Daniel from Trusted Tutorials, and today we're gonna have a look at how to wrap text in Google Sheets. For this purpose, I prepared this example here with a lot of text, and you can see there's two columns, text to wrap and also succeeding cells, to just show you the effects. The first thing we need to do is we select the cells that we want to wrap the text of. So I just show you a keyboard shortcut here. If you are on a Mac computer, you can use Command, Shift and the arrow key and do this to select all the cells below. Have you seen this? You can also do it vertically, Command, Shift and to the right. You just use the arrow buttons, and you can do the same on a PC computer, but there it's Control, Shift and the arrow buttons. Alright, so the next step we do is we go on to Format in the main menu, and here you have an option called Wrapping. Under this option, if you just hover over it, you have three options. You have Overflow, Wrap and Clip. If you select Overflow, you will allow the cell to overflow to the other cells, so the whole text will be displayed. If you select Wrap, the text will be wrapped and it will be displayed below, and the height will increase so the text matches the cell. You can also select Clip and it will display text as long as there is a space in the cell. But let's just have a look at all of them. So the first thing I'm doing is I select Overflow, and as you can see, it is overflowing here to the next cells. You can hardly see it because almost the same text in there. Let's do a second option. Choose the second option here. We select this time Wrap, and as you can see, it increases the height of the cell, and it is wrapped, but it displays all the text, but it gets really high, a lot of height. It gains a lot of height, right? So, and let's have a look at the third option. If I go on Format, Wrapping and Clip. 1 second, sorry about that. Just Clip. So you can see nothing really changes. It's just displays as wide as the cell is, it displays the text. Alright, these are the three options how to wrap text in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please give it a like, follow this channel and also hit the notification bell so you will always be notified when new videos come out. This was Daniel from Trusted Tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye. Bye bye.